Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So this is the third part of the same chapter, that is the fractions. So let's start with we have already done some questions in the previous part. Just go to the previous part and we'll start from question number 3. The previous questions are being done in the part 2. So here it says the arrange the following in ascending order. And we are also seen in ascending order in the previous this videos. So just go to that. That is in detail. So ascending means what? You have to arrange from small to big. So now let us see the numbers. Now what we can see, these are in fractions. So we have to look for this whenever there are in fraction, we have to look at the denominators. So here you can see all the denominators are different. So before arranging, we have to make the denominators equal. So to make the denominators equal, we have seen that we have to take the LCM. So 4, 5 and 3 will take the LCM. So when we take 4, 5, 3 LCM, as I have told you in the previous videos that we have to always start with 2, if not with 3, 4 and so on. So let us go here. 2 2s are 4. This doesn't go with 2. This doesn't go with 2. So they will be as it is. Again, 2 1s are 2. 5 and 3 remains as it is. Now what we can see from here that it doesn't go with 2 but with 3. So this will be as it is. And 3 1s are 3. Then this as it is, both of them, and 5 1s are 5. So now whatever we have here, these are the factors. So what are we going to do? We are going to multiply that one. So when you multiply it, we get 60. So now the LCM is 60. So now what will you do? You will take this 3 by 4. And then you are going to make the denominators first to 60, not the numerator. So denominator to make it to 60 means 4 times 15 is 60. And if you don't know how to do that, how to get this 15 times table, you don't know. So what are you going to do? You have the LCM is 60. So what are you going to do? You are going to divide by 4. So 4 1s are 4 and this is 20. So 4 5s are 20. So here you have to multiply by whatever you get over here. That is the quotient that you have to multiply. So now whatever multiplication you do the number here, the same multiplication number should be here. So 15 3s are 45 and 15 4s are 60. So same you will do for 2 by 5. We have to make the denominator. So now look at here. 5 times 12 is 60. 12 times 2 is 24. So 24 here. Now you will take the third number, 7 by 3. So here again you are going to make it to 60. 20 times 3 is 60. So this is 20. So here also will be 20. That is 140 by 60. So now what are you going to write? First you will write these 3 numbers. Okay, now look at here. We want the from small to big. So small means this will be first. This is going to be the second number and this is going to be the third number. First, second, third. So now whenever we write this sign, this says that bigger number, the crocodile opens the mouth towards the bigger number, we can say, right? So when we compare this and this, the bigger number is 45. So we put a sign over here. When we compare this and this, the bigger number is 140. So we put a sign over here. But before that, before putting the sign, we have to look at these numbers and then we have to think which is the smallest number. That will be definitely 24 by 60. Then 45 by 60 and then this, and then later on put the sign. So now we are going to come to the original. 24 by 60 is what? 2 by 5. So you are going to write here 2 by 5. Then 45 by 60 is what? 3 by 4. So you are going to write here 3 by 4. And 140 by 60 is what? That is 7 by 3 that you are going to write here, and the sign remains the same. So this is the final answer. Hope you got it. Same over here, but here what you can see, there are 4 numbers, so you don't have to worry about it. You will take the LCM of this because the denominators are different. So again you are going to take the LCM of this one. So again go with 2, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, 5 remains same because that is not divisible by 2. So now again this 1 remains same, then 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 5 remains as it is. Now here see here 2 1s are, this remain as it is, and here 5 1s are, this remains as it is. So these are the factors and that you have to multiply. That is the LCM. When you multiply this, you get 40. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So now again you will do what? You will take this number. You will see that you will make the denominator to 40. So 2 times 20 is 40. So since this is 20, this also should be multiplied by 20. So 20 ones are 20 and this 40. Again take 1 by 4. Same you have to make it to 40. So this is 10. So this also will be 10. 10 divided by 40. So now this is 3 by 8, the third number. What you are going to take here? Same. You have to make it to 40. So here, 8 fives are here because this is 5 extra multiplied by this also should be 5. 15 by 40. 8 by 5. 5 times 8. So this will be, this is multiplied by 8. So this also should be multiplied by 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 by 40. Now you will look at here, we got these fractions. So which is the smallest number? So this is first, then comes second, third, and fourth. So you will write in this way, first, second, third, fourth over here. And as I told you in the previous question, that you have to open the mouth over the, you will compare this and this. So 15 is bigger, so you have to open the mouth over here. Same here, same here. And this is not done, but you have to write 10 by 4 means 1 by 4. So this should be here. Again here, this 15 by 40 means this is 3 by 8. So you have to write over here. 20 by 40 means this is going to be, which is 20 by 40. This is 1 by 2. So it is going to be here. And so on. So this is the final answer. Same we will go for this one. I think you can just look because the solution has been given. So you have to just take the, look at the denominator, take the LCM, you get these factors and LCM, this is 105. So you have to make it equal. Now again I told you because this is a bigger number. So you have to see here that what is the multiple of it. Means what will you do? You will take 105 and this is 3. So 3 3s are 9. And this is 1, and this you will take down, that will be 15. 3 5s are 15, and this is going to be 35. So you have to look at the question. So you are going to multiply by 35. And again, you can check 3 times 35, that is going to be 105. So this is multiplied by 35 means this also should be multiplied by 35, and you get 175. Same you can look at if you don't know 15 times table 7 multiplied by what. So you can divide and see what you get. So 7 multiplied by 15 is 100. There's 105. So again, this also will be multiplied by 15. So this is the answer. Again, for this one also, you can see 100. This is 5. So you can see 105 divided by 5. So 5 2s are 10. And this 5 will come down. 5 1s are 5. So that is going to be 21. So 5 multiplied by 21 is 105. Hope you got this one. So now what we can see, we'll compare this and this, which is the smallest number because ascending, we are going to say ascending. Ascending means small to big. So 1, then 2, and this 3. Same, you are going to put it over here. Then as I told you, you have to put the sign at the bigger number. And then look at the original. Original is what? This was first number. So this is 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 will be here. Second was 9 by 7. And 100 and this means that was 5 by 3. So this is the answer. Same for here. You can just look at it. You just take the LCM. LCM is 210 and you will do by the same method. Only the numbers are different. So the solutions are being given. You can just scroll and you can see same over here. Only they have given extra questions here for the practice. So the method is the same. So there's no point in explaining here because the solutions are given and you can just see for whatever the explained part from the previous question. So, hope you got it. This one again the same. You will take the LCM of this because the denominator is different. LCM is 45. So, you will make it to 45. Again, this you will make it to 45. This you will make it to 45. And then arrange in form because ascending means, again I say small to big number is ascending. So now see here that was ascending, and now what did you say? Arrange the following in the descending order. Descending means it is going to be opposite of that, big to small. So whenever, suppose you're finding difficult, and one thing for descending you can remember that is down. Down means now it will come 4, 3, 2, 1. It is coming in the opposite way. So now one thing, whenever we have any differentiation you have, so just you will make 2 columns, ascending and descending, because many times it's happened that you, at the time of exam when you are filling tens, you forget it whether it is small to big and big to small. So what you have to do in such case, whenever there is a difference here, because you know now ascending means small to big, you know this is small to big, just remember one thoroughly. And just remember, you think of this will be opposite of that. This you know thoroughly, that is small to big. So this is definitely going to be big to small. So it's okay. So now what are you going to do? First thing, this is the given here is the mixed fraction. So here the mixed fraction means you are going to do here is, now look at here. First thing we have done the mixed fraction, that is 5 times 3 is 15. And 15 plus 4 is 19. And here 19 divided by 5. So because this denominator is going to be as it is. Again, one integer 1 by 2. So here 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 will be, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 will be 2 plus 1, that is 3, and this denominator as it is. This also we have seen in the previous one, how to do the mixed fraction. So this will be 3 by 2. Again here 3 integers 1 by 2 means you are going to multiply this one. 3 times 2, this is going to be 6. And 6, and this you are going to, what is in the numerator, you are going to add it. And this is the denominator. So that you are going to write it as it is. So that is going to be 7 by 2. So once you got these numbers, this is the extra step. It is the same as what we did for the ascending one. So first, only the important from the mixed fraction, you have to make it to the improper one. Again, here the proper fraction, I'll tell you proper fraction and the improper fraction. So how to remember the improper and the proper fraction? So you know, again, there is always confusion between this one. So in proper fraction, the numerator is always smaller. Numerator is smaller. And of course, the denominator will be bigger. Okay. Here, the numerator is bigger. So again, here you don't have to remember both at a time. So just remember, proper means numerator is smaller. So you know that is the opposite of that, numerator should be bigger. So can you see here why I called that as improper? So can you see the numerator all are bigger than the denominator? Hope you got this as well. So now, same thing what we did for that ascending order, you have to take the LCM. So now what did I do here? 5, 2, 2. So you don't have to take this 2 or 2 times, isn't it? So you don't have to take 2 times, okay? So only once is okay. So what will you do? 2 times 1 is 2, and this 5 as it is, and this 5 ones are 5, and this. So what are the factors? 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 means that is going to be 10. Hope you got this. You don't have to take 2 times. Even if you take, here, it's going to be the same. See here, 2 ones are 2, and this is going to be 1. So these factors are not changing. Got it? Okay, so now this is the LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So now what are you going to do? We'll take these numbers, whatever we got the new numbers, that is the improper one, and make it to 10. For 5 2s are 10. And here, because this is multiplied by 2, this also should be multiplied by 2. That will be 38 by 10. Again, these 2 5s are 10. So this is multiplied by 5. This also should be multiplied by, that will be 15 by 10. Again, this also same. So you get 35 by 10. So now what do you get here? Descending this side. Descending means big to small. Big to small, which is big? This is 1 number, 2 number, and this is 3 number. So just write it as it is, 1, 2, and this is 3. So now you know the bigger number, we have to open this at the bigger number, which is bigger when you compare this and this, 38. So you have to put the sign over here. When you compare this and this, which is bigger, 35. So you have to open the sign over this over here. You have to write the symbol here. Okay. Now look at here. So now what is that? Again, this is not done. You have to look at the original. What is the original for 38 by 10 is 19 by 5. So 19 by 5 will be here. For 35 by, this is 7 by 2. And for this one, 3 by 2. And then we can also write this one because it is an improper fraction. As I told you, you can make it to mixed fraction, or from mixed, you can make it to improper fraction. So 19 divided by 5. Now look at here, 5 3s are 15 and the remainder is 4. So you will go in a clockwise, 3, 4 and this 5. So what is here? This is called the quotient, this is called the remainder, and this is called the divisor. So quotient is going to be at the side, that is going to be whole number, and remainder and divisor, that are going to be 4 divided by 5. So can you see this and this are the same? Same you will do by 7 by 2. So you will get 3 integers 1 by 2. Same 3 by 2, you will divide, you will get 1 integer 1 by 2. So always remember, you will go in a clockwise direction. Now again, for the descending order of this one, the method is the same. So you have to take the LCM here, but whenever you are arranging, descending means everything is same like what you did for ascending, only the big to small. So this is a big number, you take the LCM, you got 20, then you arrange it. And then what are we going to, which is the big number? 1, then 2, and this 3. So then you have to put the original one. What is original for this one? This was 1, so this one is the original. This was the second, so this is the original, and 1/4. So this is the answer. So next one, what does it say? That these are the numbers. Again, what we have to do, because 9 are repeating twice, right? So we just wrote it once. Okay, and find out the LCM. And again, here same descending. You can just have a look later on. Same over here. Now see, here 4 is repeating. We just took 4 once and 5. Same, this is also for descending. So same method you have to follow. Only they are given multiple problems. Okay. Now see here, you can go to the solutions for this one. Again, this one same, but this here what you can see, this is a mixed fraction. First you have to make 2 improper fractions. So 2 integers 1/3. As I told you, this should be multiplied. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7. And what is the denominator is 3. So 7 divided by 3. So this is in the mix. These all are in fractions. So just write it. Take the LCM of it and do from big to small in the descending order. Again, this is the same. Just look at the denominator, take the LCM. LCM is 42. So again, here big to small. And this is the answer. Now the next problem, see here, the next exercise now. So now look at here. Again, here what does this say? That add the following fractions. So that was ascending and descending order. Now they have asked you the following, you have to add it. So now these fractions are given. So now whenever you have add or subtract, you have to look whether they are like or unlike. The denominators are like or unlike. You know, like means same and unlike means different. So now can you see the denominators are different? So you have to take the LCM of 18 and 12. So again here, see here, we have done multiple times the LCM. Now you should be perfect with LCM. And I have shown you by the same method, so you should not get confused over here. So now see here, 18 and 12, we have taken the LCM. 2 9s are, 2 6s are, 2 6s are, so 9 should be as it is. 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Again 3 1s are and 3 1s are. So these are the factors. So what do you get over here? The LCM you got is 36. So what are you going to do? 17 by 18. You are going to make it the denominator to 36. 18 times 2 is 36. This you are multiplying by 2. So this also should be multiplied by 2. So 11 2s are 22 and this is going to be 36. Now you will take 1 by 12 down. You will make this to 36. So 12 3s are 36. So this multiplied by 3 means this also should be multiplied by 3. 3 by 36. So now they have asked you, now look at here, they have told you to add it. So you got these 2 fractions, isn't it? So what are you going to do? You are going to add this, means this is what you got this here, 22 by 36 plus this one, 3 by 36. Now, why you have to write this one? Because now you can see the denominators are same. So now here what happens whenever you are adding, you can see the denominators are same. So you are going to write it only once. And you are going to add the numerator. So if you want, you can also write one step. That is 22 plus 3 divided by 36. And then you can write it 22 plus 3 will be 25 by 36. So you can also add this one step. So what is your answer? When you add, your answer is going to be 25 by 36. So this is the final answer. Now same over here. This is also adding. So look at this. Only look at the denominator. Take the LCM. And then, see, LCM is 30. So you took this over here. You made the denominator, say, this one, 30. So 2 multiplied by 15. So that is 30. Again here, because this is 15, this is also 15. So 15 times 5 is 75 and this is 30. Now take this number over here. 15 times 2 is 30. So multiplied by 2 means this also should multiply by 2. That will be 14 by 30. Now since it is adding, so these 2 are going to get added. Means what? What did you get for that one? 75 by 30 and 14 by this. You are going to add it. Now you can see the denominators are same. So what you will write here? When you write once. And this you are going to add it. 75 plus 14, which is 89. And now look at here. Here 89 by 30. 89 by 30 means it's improper because the numerator is bigger. So what are you going to do? You are going to write here 30. And 30 times, if you know 3 times table, you know you can easily write 30 times table, isn't it? So 30 times 2 is 60 because 30 times 3 90. We cannot take. This is 89. So we can take here 60. So this is 29. So what will you write here? 2 integers 29 by 30. So this is what you got. This whatever is that, that will be whole number, and this will be in the fraction. And see, when you're writing this number, be careful. Don't write like this. So what does this look like? It looks like 229 by 30. So see that you write 2, the whole number over here, and this 29 should be little up, and this here. This center of this and this should be here. So it should be written over like this. Now same over here. Now see here, 5 and 9. So this is 45. So you can make it same method. Everything is the same. It's repeating. The method is repeating over here. Now this you got 35. This you got 85 by this one. You are going to add it. So now what is that? When you add it, you get 85 plus this. The denominator is same. You write 45. 18 plus 35. 18 plus 35 I wrote over here. If you want, you can write this step or you can skip the step. So when you add this one, you get 53 by 45. Again, 53 by 45 means this is the improper fraction. So 53 by 45. So 45 ones are 45. And what do you get over here? 8. So one integer 8 by 45. One integer 8 by 45. Next year, you don't have to worry because here there are 3 numbers. Again, first thing, take the LCM. Same, you got the LCM as 12. So this you are writing over here, make it to 12. Same thing. Only there are 3 numbers that you have to make it to 12. Again, this one you will make it to 12. And what you're going to, when you're adding, you're going to add this, and this. That is this, all 3. And the denominator is 12 now, so you're going to write only once. You're going to add all these 3 numbers, 8 plus 9 plus 10. And now later what will you do? The next step, you will put here 12 and this you are going to add, which is 27. Again, this 27 by 12 is this one, improper fraction. So you have to make it to the mixed fraction. The next number also the same, 4, 4, 24. But now, as I told you in the previous, this one, that whenever the numbers are repeating, you just have to take it once and take the LCM. So here we are taken just 4 and 24. The LCM remains the same. You don't have to repeat that number. So 24. Again, the method is the same. So you got this one, 47. And 47 by 24 is the improper fraction. So we have to make it to a mixed fraction. So now again here, same problems like here. So what are you going to write here? Take the LCM, 72. This one, add it. Yeah, and this is 187 by 72. So this is an improper fraction. You have to make it to a mixed fraction. Yeah. So now look at here. When you're adding means this is improper fraction. So one improper fraction, first let us make 2 improper ones. So one integer 1 by 8 means, as I told you, this will be multiplied. So this is going to be 8. Whatever you get 8, this numerator is 1. So you're going to add the numerator. Denominator is 8 means it will be 8. That is 9 by 8. Again for this one, 14 times 3 is 42. 42 plus 2, 44. 44 divided by this denominator. So here. Rest everything is same. You have to just add it after taking the... Here what are you going to do? 8 and 14 you are going to take the LCM of 8 and 14. So you took here LCM as 8 and 14 and you got as 56. And then you are going to add. Same over here. See here. First make the mix to the improper one. Take the LCM and then make it equal. And then add it. And that improper you will make it to mixed fraction. Now in this one, we will see how to subtract the following fractions. Now same thing, that was addition, this is we are going to subtract. You are going to follow the same thing. You are going to look at the this one, denominator, make the denominator equal by taking the LCM. And the LCM is 36. And only the thing is, here in place of this, in the previous problem, we added. And here we are going to subtract it. Did you get it? Everything is same. All the steps are same. Only in place of addition, you have to put it. So here, see here. Now, here we have to make it, we have to simplify. Because why? This 3 and 36 goes with, means you can simplify it further. Means 3, if you divide by 3, and 36 also should be divided by 3. Whatever the changes you make it over here, should be divided. So what 3 times divided by 3 is 1, and 36 divided by 3 is 12. Same over here, this is subtraction. So here, what did you get here? 2 by 45. Same here. You have to look at the denominators, take the LCM, subtraction, and you get as 31 by 35. So here one more we have that is again the same one, subtraction. So again you take the LCM, make it same, and subtract it. Same problems. They have put multiple problems. Same over here. See, this is in a mixed fraction. You have to make it to improper one, and then look at the denominators. Make the denominators equal. Take the LCM, and same over here. Again, here the same. This is always improper. This, wherever there is a mixed fraction, make it to improper, and then subtract it. Because the solutions are given, you can just have a look at it later. Again, here the same. Mix is given. You have to make it to improper. Denominators are different. You make the denominators equal, taking the LCM, and then subtract it. So again here, what is there? We'll look at here. So here, what does this say? Simplify the following. Now, here, first thing is, like, see here, you don't have to first think about the signs. What you can see, these are in fractions. So you will take 7, 20, and 20. Means you will just take 20 once. Again, you will take the LCM. So LCM is 140. So this actually is nothing because we have done addition and subtraction over here. So here, what are we going to do? 13 divided by 7. So what will you do? You have to, the LCM is 140. So this you are going to multiply by 20. So this also should multiply by 20. So you got this one. Again, you will take this one. You will make it to 140 because the LCM is 140. Again, multiply by 7. So this is going to be 77 by 140. So again, here what are you going to do? Because this is 20 times 7 is 140. So this also will multiply by 7. So that is 119 divided by 140. Now look at here, this and this one. Because here is plus and here is minus. So what are you going to do? You will take here this one here. But in between that, what is here? That is plus. And here is minus. So you will put here minus. And the last number is this one, right? So yeah. So now can you see here? The denominator is the same. So you are going to write it only once. But here, this and you are going to. So now what are you going to do? First thing means you are going to take these two numbers. Okay. So what is that going to be? 260 and this is 77. So this is going to be how much? That is, that is 337. So we are going to, actually there is error over here. So what is that? That is 260 plus 77, which is 337. So what are you going to do? 337 you will take and you are going to put a 119 over there. So that is going to be how much? This you know how to subtract it. So this is going to be 2. So this will be 8 and this is going to be 1 and this is going to be 2. That will be 218. So this is correct because only there was a this one writing mistake over there. Okay, so this is 218. So 218 divided by this 140. So what is that going to be now? So you get here, see here, this you can simplify it. So you're going to write over here is this, you will divide by 2 and this also you will divide by 2. So that is going to be 109 divided by 70. And now you can see this is the improper because the numerator is bigger. So you have to make it to the mixed fraction by dividing it. 71 is 70. So here you know this is 39. So you are going to write here 1 integer 39 by 70. This is the answer. Same over here. See this also, take the LCM. And at this stage I'll tell you what to do. That you have to take all these three numbers. First you will add this 10 minus 5. So this is 5 over 8. Same over here. You will look at the problem. Here only the difference is what? You have to make the mix to the improper one. And that is then you have to look at the LCM and then add it. So same method. Now again here, mix you have to make it to improper. And then here you have to add and subtract. Same thing what we did in the previous problems. Same over here. There are 4 numbers, so you don't have to worry. How can I do 4 numbers? Same method, everything. As I told you, the numbers 2 are repeating over here. You have to write it only once. Take the LCM. Okay, now let me explain this step. See here. This is 12. So, see, these are all 3 additions, so you can take it together. 12, 12, 15. So, this is going to be 39. 39 minus 6. So, you get the answer. So this was done for the today's for the video. So we will continue with the next problems in the next video. So please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get a notification of the other parts of the chapter and many more.